Welcome to my new video. In this video we will discuss further topic of respiration for class 7. Today's topic is gaseous exchange in insects. Students, this is the diagram of insects. I am pointing somewhere. This one is antenna. And this is eyes. Head. This region is called head. This is mandible, maxilla, labium, and this region is called thorax region, and this one is called abdomen, apiprocot, serous, and paraprocot. Ovipositor, and this one is called spiracles. This one is sterna. So structure of insect is clear from this diagram, and every body parts of insects are clear from this diagram. So students, it is clear, and one by one I will explain. Gaseous exchange in insects. This is the diagram of gaseous exchange in insects mechanism. ये जो रिंग स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है ना, देख रहे हो आप लोग, रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रैकिया, एंड दिस वन इज बॉडी सरफेस. दिस इज सर्कल शेप स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड स्पाइरकल. This is tree-like structure is called tracheole. This one is tracheole. Ring-like structure, rings of chitinine, and respiring tissues. See this arrow. These all arrows are for gaseous exchange. O2 and CO2 like this. This one is the symbol of CO2 and this is the symbol of O2. And so this is the mechanism of respiration. Is it clear? So I am going to teach you further point. Some spiracles of insects breathe through the entire body surface by diffusion. तो इंसेक्ट्स में भी डिफ्यूज़न के थ्रू ही कुछ स्पेसीज जो हैं इंसेक्ट्स के, उसमें डिफ्यूज़न के थ्रू ही रिस्पायरेशन होता है. दैट मीन्स मिक्स होना. डिफ्यूज़न इज एयर रीचेज द वेरियस पार्ट्स and organs of an insect via an elaborate system of branching tubes called trachea. The trachea open up on the interior body surface as spiracles. Air reaches the various parts and organs of an insect with the help of trachea. And आप कह सकते हो कि ब्रांचिंग ट्यूब्स लाइक जो स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है जो कि इंसेक्ट्स में आप देख सकते हो. इस टाइप से देख सकते हैं आप ये ब्रांचिंग ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. सो ये ब्रांचिंग ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड ट्रैकिया एंड द ट्रैकिया ओपन अप ऑन द इंटीरियर बॉडी सरफेस एज स्पाइरकल्स. तो ट्रैकिया किस में खुलता है? बॉडी सरफेस के अंदर में स्पाइरकल्स के रूप में. Most adult insects have 2 pairs of spiracles on the thorax and 8 pairs on the abdomen. Large tracheal tubes run across the body. Smaller trachea branch profusely from these larger ones, finally forming tiny tubulets or tracheoles. Oxygen diffuses into. This is the mechanism of respiration. The cells at the fine ending of the tracheal system, carbon dioxide is carried out of the body by tracheoles too. So trachea is a one source of exchange of gases, oxygen intake and CO2 outgoing. This is the structure of tadpole. This is internal structure of tadpole. Look, body parts. This type of circular structure is called intestine. This is pancreas. This one is digestive. This one is digestive parts. Red like structure. This is gills, filter plate. This one is filter plate, posterior labium and lower jaw. Filter, you can see filter plate. Fish. Gaseous exchange in fish. Fish breathe by drinking. They absorb dissolved oxygen from the water by means of gills. The herring has 4 gills on each side of the head underneath a body gill cover. Each gill consists of a curved bar with gill filaments sticking out from one side and gill rackers projecting forward from the other side. The gill filaments are branched filaments that present a very large surface to the water of absorbing oxygen into the blood and getting rid of carbon dioxide. So everyone knows fish lives in water. So they can respire with the help of gills. So respiratory organ of fish is called gills, and exchange of gases in fish, gills help in exchange of gases by this process. So your topic is completed. Please like my video, share to your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will discuss further topic in next video. Thanks a lot.